How to convert Excel to CSV. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel where your file is. Click on File located at top left corner of your screen, which is beside Home. Then, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In left side, click on Save As. In Save As, you will find Enter File Name here option. Click on Enter File Name here and then enter name. After that, you will find second option, which is File Type. Simply click on it. Scroll down, you will find different CSV option. Simply select the one you prefer. After you've selected the one you prefer, click on Save. After you click on Save, simply go to Folders. After you go to Folders, search for this file that you created. After you go to your files that you created, right-click on it and then click on Open With, which is below Share. Simply click on Open With, and I'll open it with Notepad, so simply click on Notepad and you'll find it in CSV format. This is how to convert Excel to CSV. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.